the message of Ayurveda is spreading.
साथियों, आयुर्वेद भारत की एक विरासत है.
Now, Ayurveda is gaining growing popularity.
Ayurveda and modern medicine can join hands together. Yeah, I come from a place called Sringeri. We started this Ayurveda Center in year 2000. Then I decided to do medicine. No doctor anywhere within 12 kilometers of our house.
The nowadays generation, the youngsters, they have a lot of problems. It may be with the relationship, stress, depression, anxiety.
Now the younger generation is struggling the most.
Poor mental health of Gen Z.
A new survey reveals majority Gen Z face emotional struggles and mental duress.
Somebody goes and gets in an accident, breaks a lot of bones. Do you think Ayurveda can fix it? Impossible. My guru told me that my mission is to bring Ayurveda to the forefront of the modern medicine.